Hi guys, today I'm going to be checking out the new lab and with my friend, Gorilla Boy. He is joining in just a little bit. He should be joining soon, but, let's wait for him and go check out the lab. Hopefully he joins soon. For my 12 subscribers who probably don't even watch my videos, but, I join BBII every time I want to do something, so I mean, I basically had a fan code before my YouTube channel, so just join BBII if you, I don't know, want to see me or something. Are you joining? You're waiting for it to download. Hopefully the video can hear me while I'm talking to you. I already seen some videos on it, but this is lab 4, so it's different. Kick back at the beach and collect rare fish. Fishy harbor. A 100 megabytes. How much is it to download it? Finish the eat a cake. Just tell me when you join. If you do get content creator, you could just go ahead and make the video on doing the lab. Oh, yeah. Wait, when is that? When is February 3rd? Is it Monday? Because the content creator challenge ends every Monday. Well, there's a new one every Monday. I'm making an egg. What? An egg. I mean a cake for daily challenge. What? Cool. Is it done installing? I think in the leaks, it said that you can sell your, well, like the people that buy your reskins, like if somebody buys your reskin, then you get, money for it. Yeah. Just don't pull out a fishing rod or anything as soon as you get in. Don't pull out anything. Fish saved now, right? Your fish saved now, right? Alright. I have no clue how long this video is gonna be. What? How many games do you have installed? 10 gigabytes? This video might get cut short because I don't have a lot of storage. So after I post it, I'm probably gonna have to delete it from my VR. I don't know why, but in the call it's echoing. And I can hear myself louder and more clear. So whenever I breathe, it's just very loud. Is it almost done? I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go to app. Time to check out the update. Okay, already know what it looks like. Because the thing is done here. But I need to. Well, I wonder what the new fishing rods are. It said new fishing rods on the thing. Is it in a different biome? Well, it's time. Is there a promo code machine in here? Let me check the announcements. Better fishing rods. We fixed up the tension issue. Okay, there's no new what fishing rods? They just work better now. Feels so much smoother than how I saw it in videos. Yay, I got a small fish. Wait. Does it cost cotton to eat these? And pull them? Oh. I got a shell. Can I sell the shells? What's the shell for? Maybe it's a charm. It's a charm. Wait, no. Yay, I got a toilet seat.
Hi.
Go to Upton Call. I got a toilet
Alright.
seat. Wait, do you own the wooden fishing rods?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? Here.
I need to go check if the toilet seat is a charm. Because there was a shell and it was a charm.
It's not a charm.
Man.
I've caught one.
I got the same fish again.
Found your can.
Wait, I saw in the lab. Is that Anchor a new? No, it's just
Hand built.
pipes.
Please, seed wagon.
Sea dragon. It'd be crazy if we got a sea dragon. I got a puffer fish. Wait, I haven't tested it yet.
Bro.
Yep, it works. Wait, will our fish save over to the normal thing? Because
Yep.
I know... Hold on.
They started to get saved in lab like 3 when that released, which was like yesterday.
Well, I wonder if they'll save over, like, to the normal thing. No,
They will.
no, my line broke. It's not as exciting because I already seen videos on it, but I didn't think I'll be able to play.
I never saw videos on it, so like my reaction was...
I didn't think I was gonna get to be able to play, so I just watched videos, but...
I'm saying in real life because why not? It makes it feel like I'm actually fishing in real life.
Wait, the further you throw it, is it like more of a chance to catch a fish or like something better?
No.
Right. How do you throw it so far? Wait, can you like put stuff on it by yourself? Like just put stuff on your fishing rod?
No. Well, actually, yes, you can. But it can't be used as, like, bait.
I got a different fish.
Bro, actually, stop. I actually caught a fish, but you can't fish underwater. How'd you feel finding smacked with my puffer fish like 24/7?
Wait, what fish do you have?
A lot. One that can take you across basically the whole map.
Oh, I got a fish. Hold on.
I have like 500 fish.
Oh yeah, this fork is the best fish ever. Wait, can I eat my
Nathan.
fish? Got Nathan. That's not Nathan.
It is.
It's Nathan's
Go over
fish.
there, look.
It's Nathan's fish.
Yeah.
Eat
so
my
Nathan.
pole. What is that? Wait, do you
Come
have the
on.
board that you can put down? Stop it. Hold on, can I smack you with my little fish? No. Do you want my little fish?
Sure.
That's too bad. Wait, that means if you want to share with somebody and you have a duplicate and somebody else doesn't, then you could just give it to them.
Yep. And I have lots of duplicates.
You want to give me some?
But it doesn't count towards your index.
It doesn't?
Nope. You have to
Why
get
not?
yourself for it to count your index.
I got a dark purple paintbrush. I still want the duplicates. I have a pond in my backyard. We're putting some, well, we have some fish in it, but we don't have many. It's a nameplate. Name
In a way,
tag. Is it a charm?
in a way, it's a license plate.
Is it a charm?
No. I think the charm is just like this is Yeep, and it's just a Yeep block.
You know you could
So
eat
it's like
the
the toilet seat.
You know you could eat the fish, right? Wait, what if I just take it out my bucket and eat it?
Then you lose it forever.
No.
And you eat it raw. Why do they nerf the wooden rod so much?
I don't know. It doesn't break as easy though.
Yes, it does. It's so slow. It used to be so
Yeah.
fast. You could easily like get fish pulled out instantly.
Wait, can you?
But no, you need the pro rod.
I ate it.
But no, you need the pro rod.
The purr
At
rod.
this point, it's turning. At this point, Yeeps is just turning pay to win.
Pay to win. I got the wings without spending a dime. Oh yeah. Wait, does this hit you?
How'd you
Yeah.
get the wings then?
I did a bunch of achievements and quest. Daily quest.
No, but I'm talking about like you have to actually buy the pro fiction rod to actually catch good fish.
Oh.
But at this
They
point,
should make it to where the bowl. What? They should make it to where the poles bend.
Okay, that actually. See, look, I'm reeling it in fast. This used to reel in so fast when I did that, and I just found my own boots.
It's the shoe update. That's why it's a boot. I wanted that. Where is it? I don't have a flashlight.
I don't have that.
Where'd my bucket go?
Please, speed, I need this. Can we make a trade? Can we make a trade?
Hold on.
Grim.
What?
I'll give you this for that little anchovy.
For this?
No, the one that you just got.
This?
Yes. Alright, same time. I'm putting mine in yours.
Same time. 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you.
I was actually
Gamer
about
get
to do
scammed.
it.
Okay, fine. Wait, it gives you an option?
Yep, 3,
Three,
2.
2, 1, go.
Thank you! I know that was a holy scam, but I actually need that, and I also have like 5 of those.
Um, do you have the little board that you can see your fishies?
Cost me
Hold on.
800 buck coins just for stuffed pillow.
What?
It literally cost 800 buck coins just for that stuffed pillow, and also here's a free fish.
I was gonna try and put my bucket here and but it gives you a notification, so. I wanted to see what it would be like if you just scammed somebody like that, but you can't.
It used to be, like, if you put it in there, it goes in there in lab 1.
In lab 1.
Yeah, like, you could put it in without a confirmation. Like, it just instant goes in.
I'm gonna go get the pillow board thing. I'll be back. Bam!